to another show today. We have a new phone case.
That's right. We have a new phone case from...
Not a showcase.
Showcase. We have the SupCase, a Unicorn Beetle Pro for the S20 Ultra. And we just got the S20 Ultra phone in right here. Hello, Kitty.
And let's put this together.
And we're going to show you what it looks like in the case. All right, let's take this out here. Okay, now that we pulled this part out right here,
let me do it.
This will go over your phone.
It's so addictive. And
right.
these go together. That one goes on down, and this one goes here. So easy. Snap, snap, snap.
Snap, snap, snap. All right, give me this part right here. Can you give me this part here?
Snap it out.
Okay. All right, now I'm just going to snap this in here, just like that. Snap, snap, snap.
Snap. Now it's the last part. This. The tip
goes on really nice. Like how snug this is. Look right here, Lucas, how nice, snug this is. Nice, very protective. The nice thing I like about these cases right here is that when you set this phone down, the screen is not touching. Also, when you set it down like that, the camera won't be touching.
Yeah.
Also, the buttons right here are very accessible. You can use that. Also,
and there's
that
a phone
part
case.
here, this has a little snuggy door here. And you're going to show me what it looks like in here, aren't you?
Okay. Cool. Cool.
This goes on your belt.
It is so cool because it's so cool because once you do this, so you can take it out.
Yeah.
So
and did you
easy.
tell them about the kickstand on it?
Yeah.
Let's show them the kickstand on this phone.
Here's the kickstand.
You want to use my fingernail?
Super.
You got to get your fingernail in there.
You need to hammer it out.
Hammer it out. And look at that. You could be watching movies. You could be texting. I could be seeing you on the phone there. Very cool. I like that kickstand. Snap it down like that.
Done.
Hey, I'm going to have a link for this SupCase down below. I'll have an Amazon link. I'm going to have a lot of other cool things going on with the S20 Ultra. Also, if you're interested in educational videos or drawing videos, we got them here at this Lampofilm channel. Make sure you check out our show. Have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.